Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create an Etsy seller account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Etsy.com on any of the browser you have on your PC and you can see this type of interface. So you can see the sign in right over here. Just go ahead and click on it and you can see that you can sign in to your account using these accounts. So there are some options like continue with Google, Facebook and Apple. So you can just go ahead and click on continue with Google, which is the easiest one. Or if you had registered using your Facebook or Apple ID, you can do that as well. Or else you can use your email address. So go ahead and click on continue with Google even if you don't have your account. So you can just go ahead and select an account for yourself or your Google account, which is your primary one. Wait for a while. And you can see that you will be logged in even though you don't have your account. If this page does not load up, you can just go ahead and click on register and register yourself and create a new account and click on this option over here, which is your account. After you do so, you can see sell on Etsy. So to make your profile into a seller profile, go ahead and click on sell on Etsy. Now you can see the get started. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see this welcome message. Just go ahead and read this because this is some of the rules for your marketplace which you will be following on Etsy. Go ahead and click on let's do this and you can see what brings you to Etsy. So if you are a first-time seller, you can just click on this, or else you can just read on these things which is written. So it's some of the things written are I have a business and want to sell online for the first time. I want to expand my online business by selling on Etsy too. And I'm mainly here to explore. So you can choose whichever suits you, or if you want to skip this, you can see the skip this question now. So I suggest you to select the things which you really want, and I suggest you not to skip it because this Etsy AI will give you the results accordingly. So let's go ahead and click on start your shop. And you can see there are some processes you need to go through. So the first step is under shop preferences. You must select your shop language, your shop country and your currency. So let's go ahead and choose this individually. So you can see that as soon as I select the country, the shop currency will automatically change as well. So you can change it yourself or else you can choose the default one. Go ahead and click on save and continue. And the next thing you want to do is name your shop. Go ahead and name the shop which you want. So you can see that this name is perfect. Go ahead and click on save and continue once again. So after this process is complete, you can see that this thing is available. So after it is available, you can choose anything like this and click save and continue. So sometimes this process takes some time. Go ahead and click on reload the page and you can start doing this process once again because there might be some problems sometimes and it might not work. So you can see reloading the page worked. Now what you need to do is share the listing with Etsy. So what you need to do is type in the category which you sell, or if it is a digital file, you can see that you can click between physical item or digital file. So this is really important while you are opening a seller account. Go ahead and choose the category which you sell. So you can see some of the categories over here. You can just go ahead and choose it. So I sell t-shirt. I'm just going to go ahead and click on t-shirts and click on physical item. Now you can see who made it, what is it, some of the listings are here. You can choose between which suits you most, and then you can choose the date as well. So you can choose it and you can choose a bit down and you can scroll a bit down and you can see that what tools are used to make this. You can choose this or you can just skip it for a while. Go ahead and click on save and continue. And the next thing is to start your shop. What you need to do is enter the first product. So after you write down the title of your product, you can add in up to 4 photos and a video. So you can click on add, which is over here. and you can select the photos which you want to sell. So as I'm going to sell a t-shirt, I'm gonna add in some art which is going to appear on my t-shirt. You can also share your photos and videos, guys, so you can see the video option over here. Go ahead and click on video, and you can upload a video of your products as well. So you can even change your thumbnail. You can just go ahead and drag and drop it over here, and the thumbnail will be changed automatically. You can write down the description about your items, which is really important while you're opening a seller account, because this is your first product and it must have a very good impression while you're selling. So go ahead and write down the proper description of your t-shirt. So after you do this, you can see the price and inventory. You can see the price option over here. You can add in your price, and you can see the estimated profit over here. The quantity can be also kept over here, and you can go ahead and click on save and continue. The next thing you want to do is add in how you get paid. So if this process has stuck in here, you can see that you can choose this over here, because you must enter anything which is given. So you can see that returns and exchange is over here. You can set this option over here as well. So you can click on apply this policy, and after that click on save. So if this process is taking time, just go ahead and reload the page once again, and you can enter it, and you can start doing this process. So repeat just what I did, and you can start your shop. So all you need to do is write down the details and click in the details about your products, what type of product this is, how much it will cost. So you can write all of these over here and click save and continue. So you can see all of this over here. You can add this, click on preview as well if you want. And then what you need to do is add in your payment details, your billing info, your security shop options. Go ahead and secure your SIM card, your card which will be given from Etsy as well to use it. So after you do so, you can create a seller account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can create a seller account for yourself on Etsy was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.